going to test your English level. I'll show you 100 images. Each image will have 4 answer choices, and 1 or more of them may be correct. You must choose the correct answers within 5 seconds. At the end, I'll check all your answers and tell you what English level you're at. If you think you won't be able to watch the full video, then this video isn't for you. Learning English takes patience, consistency, and time. So stay with me until the end and give your best. Are you ready? Let's get started.
As you can see, the person is typing on a laptop. Now, some answer choices will appear on the screen. Tell me which one is correct.
The correct answer is 2.
As you can see, he is going somewhere. Look at the answer choices on the screen and choose the correct one.
The correct answer is 2.
As you can see, she has finished her work. Now, look at the answer choices on the screen and choose the correct one.
The correct answer is 3.
As you can see, a girl is crying. Now, look at the answer choices on the screen and choose the correct one.
The correct answer is 1.
That's all for today's lesson. Wait for the next video where we'll continue improving your English together. And one more thing, your support means a lot to me. Making these videos takes a lot of time and hard work. If you support the channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing, I'll be able to create longer and even better videos for you. See you in the next video. Take care.